In this video I want to test the new active stabilization mode in Sony A7S III. So let's take a look at this short hike video and then I'll tell you about my opinion of this new stabilization mode. This new active stabilization mode is definitely making the footage smoother, but let's test it versus the regular IBIS and no IBIS. Active stabilization mode on. I'm trying to hold steady, but at the same time I'm walking fast, so I can't really hold it steady. This is regular IBIS. Keep in mind I'm shooting this at 30 frames, and this is no IBIS at all. This is with active mode, trying to be steady. This is with regular IBIS, trying to be steady but walking fast. And this is with no stabilization at all. Side by side, you definitely see the difference. Active stabilization mode does work. In conclusion, I think active stabilization definitely improved things at least a little bit, and if you try to be stable, footage will probably come out smooth. Thumbs up if you found this video useful, and see you soon!